Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Samuel Lee Crafting. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper bird. So let's start. First, you need a square paper like this. But if you don't have a square paper, you can take a printer paper and cut them into a square. So let's really start now. First, take the top left part and fold it to the bottom right, and then crease. So now unfold it. Now take the top right and fold it down to the bottom left. And then crease. So now unfold it again. Now take the top part and fold it down to the bottom. And then crease it. So now unfold it. Now take either the left or the right part and fold it to the other side. I'll do right to left. And then crease it. So now unfold it. So when you unfold it, you should see a line right here, right here, right here, and right here. So now, this is what we're gonna do. So now if you see this triangle right here, take your right hand and hold it. And then fold it down. So take your left hand and put it, and then you see this triangle right here, right? So hold it and then fold it up. And then crease. So now, if you see this triangle right here, take your left hand, hold it, and fold it down. Crease. Now, you should see this triangle right here. Take your right hand, hold it, and fold it. And then, you should see it look like this. So now, press it down and crease it. So now, take the right part, but only the top, not the bottom, and fold it into this line right here. So now do the same thing with the left part, only the top. Fold it to the line. Crease. So now it should look like this. Now flip over. Take the right part and fold it into the line. Crease. Take the left part and do the same thing. Crease. So now it should look like this. Now take the whole top part and fold it down like this. Now unfold it. So this might be a little bit hard, but try your best. So now you take the top part and unfold it like this. So if you flip over, it should look like this. So now let's do it. So crease right here, and then take this whole part right here and fold it in. Now do the same thing with the left. Fold it in. Now do the same thing with the top. Fold it down. So now it should look like this. So now flip over. Take the top part and fold it down. And then unfold it. Take only the top part and lift it up. And then crease this part. And then take this whole part right here and fold it in. Now do the same thing with the left and the top. So now it should look like this. Now you should see this line in the middle right here. Take the right part, but only the top, and fold it until this part right here meet with this line. So fold it, and then crease. And then do the same thing with the left part, only the top, and fold it into the line. Crease. Now it should look like this. Now flip it over and do the same thing. Crease it. So now it should look like this. Now turn it sideways like this and unfold it like this. So now it should look like this. You should also see a line right here and a line down here. So now you take this whole part and fold it up. And then fold it. And then pull this out until it's right here. And then crease. So now, if you want to make this the head, you can take this part, a little bit at the top, and fold it down. Just like this. So now, do the same thing with the left part. Fold it up. And then fold it in. Pull it out until it's right here. Crease it. So now we're almost done with our paper bird. All we have to do now is take one wing and fold it down. Like this. So now do the same thing with the other wing. Fold it down. Like this. So now push them up. So there, we're done with our swan paper bird. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.